Hey guys, as you can see, I made all the efforts for Halloween this year. Today is Halloween. I hope you're all having a happy Halloween. Not gonna lie, I completely forgot it was Halloween. Today, I thought that I would test my knowledge of Halloween by doing a Halloween quiz. I wonder how many times I'm gonna say Halloween in this video. Let me know in the comments. You can have 10 YouTube sister points. So, question 1, you can play along at home if you want. Where does the word Halloween come from? All Hallows Eve, Halloweeny treats, Hail Witches Eve. It's the first one, All Hallows Eve. In the old days, what did people think happened on Halloween? It was the start of winter. The souls of the dead came back to the earth. It was a special birthday for witches and wizards. Definitely the second one. What is the favourite Halloween costume for pets in America? Devil, hot dog, or pumpkin? It could be any of those. You know what, I'm just gonna guess hot dog. Because that makes sense, right? Like a hot dog. The world's biggest pumpkin is approximately the same weight as a crocodile, a leatherback turtle, or an elephant. Don't think it's an elephant. I could be wrong. I'm gonna go for a leatherback turtle. Where did Halloween start? America, Europe, Australia? I'm gonna say America because that's where it's most celebrated. Although it might not be. I've not got a lot of knowledge about Halloween. Pumpkins belong to the same food family as tomatoes, pizzas, or cucumbers. It's not pizzas, I'm afraid. I'm gonna say tomatoes. No. Cucumbers. No. Is this like a really easy question and I'm just being stupid? I'm gonna say tomatoes because they're round. Or spherical. Man has broken the world record for sailing a pumpkin across part of the English Channel, an ocean, or a pond. A pond. I'm gonna guess part of the English Channel. What trick-or-treat goodies were originally given out for Halloween? Chocolate pennies, gold coins, or fruit and nuts? I'll guess fruit and nuts. What were Halloween lanterns originally for? Finding your way in the dark, warding off evil spirits, showing off your skills as a carver? I'd say warding off evil spirits. True or false, the original reason people dressed up for Halloween was to scare away ghosts. I'll say false. Okay, so let's see how many I got right. The first one, All Hallows Eve, yes, I got that right. They thought the souls of the dead came back to the earth, correct. Leatherback turtle, yay, I got that right. Oh, it said it started in Europe, so I got that wrong. Cucumbers. You know what, I was going to say cucumbers. Oh well. The English Channel, got that right. Fruit and nuts, got that right. Scare off ghosts and evil spirits, got that right. Okay, I got 6 out of 10. So, do you think you can do better? Let me know what you got in the description. Not the description, the comments. It says, if I got between 3 and 6, I got hauntingly average. I just got a notification. Hauntingly average, I'm happy with that. At least it wasn't bad. But it wasn't frighteningly good. So let me know what you got in the comments, and if you weren't playing along, then go just type in Halloween quiz, and it was I don't even know which one it was. Like the third one down. It's on the BBC website. So go play it without cheating. You've probably cheated by now because I've already done it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what kind of score you got. And I hope you all have a happy Halloween. Sorry there's nothing scary around me right now, but I will see you next week. Bye.